Hey guys, here I am in Bacchus Marsh with Frank, the owner of this 1972 Datsun Ute. Now, I've taken some photos of it before and a bit of video, and it looks absolutely amazing. Tell us a little bit about it, mate. When did this project start?
I started about 7 years ago, but it's been asleep for about 6 years.
Yeah, that's the way it goes, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Projects take a while.
That's right. Then I bring it to my house about 2 years ago to start working on it. And it's been on and off for a year. Then last year I ended up deciding to just finish it.
And what motor did you end up putting in it?
Put a 2-litre EcoBoost out of a FG Falcon.
I think so it'd go all right.
It goes all right.
Yeah.
Just needs more power.
Yeah.
like always.
It would have been pretty ordinary condition when you first got it, like an old work ute?
Oh, no, it was pretty rough. Like the old owner wanted to restore it himself, but he wasn't capable. So I ended up getting it off him. Literally changed every panel on the car.
Yeah. The bolt-on flares and the wheels and tyres look amazing.
Yeah, it gives it a nice stance.
Yeah. And the colour?
The colour is
Pumpkin orange?
I don't know the name, but it's the factory Datsun orange.
Yeah, it really pops. So the first car I noticed when I walked into the estate, I walked down the drive and I thought, wow, that looks amazing.
Yeah,
really
the
good
colour
job.
combo goes.
Yeah. That sounds really, really smooth, running really well. What are your plans going forward with it?
So plans going forward is put a 8 HP gearbox transmission and do a Haltech ECU.
Okay, what sort of transmission's got in it at the moment?
Right now it's got a 6-speed ZF that comes with the engine combo.
Okay, nice. Oh, thanks very much, Frank. Appreciate you running through your car with us. Like I said, it's one of my favourite ones that I've seen around the traps recently. So, congratulations, mate. Thank you. Very good job. All right, mate. Thank you. Hey guys, that wraps up today's episode. While we originally intended to feature Terry's 71 Camaro, unforeseen challenges with that build required us to postpone that segment, but rest assured we look forward to showcasing that vehicle in the near future. A sincere thank you to Frank for giving us an inside look at his incredible project. It truly is a cool build. If you enjoy this content, please like, subscribe and share. For more car content and related videos and builds, feel free to click on the links above. Thanks for watching guys, I appreciate it.